Well, I made it one more time around the sun. It's my 32nd birthday vlog. And yes, I am on the move. I'm rollerblading today along the rail trail. Nothing like a downhill run. I'm really glad I'm not doing this uphill. Oh my God. Now I'm going uphill. Oh my God. All right, I'm making good time. I'm making 5-minute, 30-second miles, and I'm at mile 5 right now. So I went through some wet spots and picked up some moisture on my wheels, but hopefully they'll dry out soon. If you don't skate, then you might not know some of the hazards that are for rollerbladers. The first hazard is that on a trail like this, you always want to keep checking your blind spot over your shoulder, because you'll have bikers and other people come up behind you. And always keep your earphones at a very low level or none at all so that you can hear who's approaching.
I'm getting better and better with it.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Set. As soon as I get up in the air, I'll set it to go around.
Set it and forget it. Hey everybody, it's Vince and I'm here with another Hungryroot unboxing and a very exciting announcement at the end of this video, so stay tuned. First of all, if you've never tried Hungryroot before, you can take $25 off your first 2 boxes with coupon code 25OFFVINCE at checkout. That's a total savings of $50 off, so if you've been wanting to try it, that's the code you should use. Also, if you've tried it before and canceled, come back and try it again for 20% off your first 2 boxes after you reactivate. You can use the coupon code REACTIVATEVINCE at checkout to get that special deal. So today I have the large size box. I haven't had a box delivered in about a month because I've been traveling, so all I had to do was go online and cancel the weeks that I was gone, and now here I am getting a box once again. That's one of the things that I love about Hungryroot, is that I can put it on hold and then resume as soon as I'm ready to resume again. So let's see what I got in my box this week. All right, so as always, on top, got my packing information, everything here. I just always make sure that I check it over to make sure I got everything. In case something's missing, Hungryroot is really good about replacing those items if they're out of stock, or if they've missed putting them in the box, they're really good about crediting your account. First thing I see is a sweet potato in a wrap, which means it's microwavable. This is a new thing. I've never gotten one of these before, but hey, it's a sweet potato. Can't go wrong with that. Under the insulated wrap, I've got my ice pack, which is a little melty because I do live in Florida, so by the time that it gets delivered here and by the time I get home to unpack everything, it usually is a little melty, but don't worry, everything is still good on the inside. and the meats and proteins that need to be super refrigerated, those are usually under a second ice pack. All right, I've got some mini Persian cucumbers here, organic flour tortillas. Hungryroot is starting to partner with some different brands, and they're bringing some awesome new things to their customers. These have become a standby. These are the one bun multigrain. These are really good toasted. I've got a bag of spinach here, another microwavable sweet potato, the sweet baby broccoli. These are the Little Potato Company savory herb potatoes. You can cook these in this package, but you can also just roast them in the oven and use the seasoning packet. These are really good. The organic grass-fed meatballs. These are still partially frozen, which is awesome. These are the spinach and feta turkey patties. And then what is this in this bag? This is an environmentally friendly bag of sorts. I've got my fish dish. This is brand new to me. It is a product that Hungryroot is offering now. This is the teriyaki seaweed sockeye salmon. And this is raw. The other salmon available through Hungryroot is smoked, so don't get this confused with that. This still needs to be cooked. And from this brand that I really like, which is Outer Isle, they make the sandwich thins. This is the cauliflower pizza crusts, which looks really good too. It's basically the same thing as the sandwich thins, just sized up a little bit, and I think they've added some herbs and garlic and basil and things like that. Kale pesto. I have one of the creamy Caesar dressings because I wanted to try that. 3 little treats. The Unreal peanut butter cups. Yeah, sometimes you just need a treat, right? Then one more fresh fish product is the wild caught cod. This needs to be cooked as well, and it just looks like a really good lean source of protein, and you can season it up however you like. And of course, on the bottom I've got 2 more ice packs. So that is everything I got in my Hungryroot box for this week. Some carbs, some protein, some veggies, and some treats as well. I should mention that Hungryroot has a couple ways to shop. One way is that you can customize your cart completely and you can choose what you get, which is what I did here. I just chose item by item what I want. Each item is worth a certain amount of points, and depending on the size of box that you're going to order, then you'll get a certain amount of points. This is the largest box that they have. The other way is that you can choose based on recipes. So Hungryroot has curated a whole bunch of delicious, healthy recipes, and they've figured out ways that you can combine their products to make quick, easy, healthy meals. A lot of them take 10 minutes or less. That's another way that you can shop, is that you choose your recipes and then they'll fill the cart based on what those recipes require. And the third way that you can shop, which I haven't really explored, is the family plan, where they'll choose how many ingredients or how many meals you need based on how many people you have in your household. Of course, that doesn't really work for me because I'm just planning for one, so I feel like shopping and customizing my box is the best way to do it. There's just a cutoff date, so make sure you check when the cutoff is, otherwise you may be getting whatever they choose for you. Alright, it's time for my exciting announcement. So I have a group on Facebook called Hungryroot Fans, and that is where we share recipes and inspiration, and also, you know, if we want to connect with other people that use Hungryroot, it's a great way to connect with people that use the product and share their ideas and recipes. We have come up to about 600 fans in the Facebook group, and I think when we had 400 fans, I think that's the mark, is when I did a giveaway of one large box, completely free. I gave it away to someone on the internet. I'm going to do that again. I'm giving away a large Hungryroot box in celebration of hitting 600 fans in my Hungryroot Fans Facebook group. Everyone's welcome to the Hungryroot Fans Facebook group if you'd like to come on over and join us. And if you'd like to be entered to win a free Hungryroot box worth $129, you can leave a comment, one comment on this video, one comment, no replies to comments, just one single comment on this video, and you'll be entered in the drawing. I'll choose a random comment on August 12th and post the winner here. Now there is one contingency. You must be in the lower 48 states. And if you do win and Hungryroot does not deliver to your area, I will have to choose another winner. So make sure that Hungryroot delivers to your area. You can go on their website and check out the zip code and then leave your comment below to enter to win. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more about Hungryroot and travel and whatever else I'm doing. And I hope everyone stays safe and sane during this weird, strange time. Take care. See you next time.